Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to create a group on Facebook. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. What you need to do is simply open your Facebook app. At the right corner there are three lines. Tap on three lines. So here you will go to groups and tap on groups option.
खुद उन्हीं को पुकारेंगे हम दूर से रास्ते में अगर
So you will write the name of group. You will choose privacy here, private or public. So you will tap on create group. So here you can group is created and you can invite your friends in the group. So this is the only process of creating a group on Facebook.